out, man.
Check it out. January 2nd, I got my ass whooped right here by them. I got a recording and all that good shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. I had what the problem was is I had like a seizure, right? And I couldn't fucking breathe right, and I started shaking. So my family called 911. These fuckers showed up. They fucking knocked out my 2 teeth. Fucking gave me a concussion in my fucking eye. Where I was they didn't arrest me, nothing whatsoever.
Wow.
It's the reason why I got that fucking accident because I refused to take the medical attention. Because I knew it was gonna come back and bite me with a 2,300, no, 2,600 and some change for a ride from here to fucking down the street. Are you fucking serious?
Right.
What do you recommend, man?
Fucking sue their asses, man.
I know, but
I mean, first of all, they can't force medical treatment on you.
Exactly, is what I'm
That's
saying.
up to you, you know,
Exactly.
especially if you didn't do anything wrong, if you're not under the influence or 5150 or something like that.
I was drinking, but I wasn't belligerent. You know
Right,
what I mean?
right.
I just told everybody, you know, hey, thank you for fucking coming in and reviving, well, not reviving me, but performing CPR. I appreciate it. I'm sorry that you guys are over here, you know. I'm sorry that I'm taking your time, but, you know, I'm not going to go with this fucking, with the paramedics and over because I don't want to get a bill. And he goes, I don't give a fuck what the fuck you say. He goes, you're going with us no matter what. And I go, okay, well, you know, I know my constitutional rights. He goes, do you? And I go, yeah. They go, man, they opened a can of whoop ass on me for no fucking reason, dude. But, you know what I mean? I've been meaning looking for you, but I haven't seen you for a minute.
Here's my card right here, man. That'll tell you all the information we're about. I don't think I have any lawyers' cards on me, but if you send me an email, I can send you the information to our lawyer, and she works specifically on police brutality and shit like that. So yeah, that's all she does. And but yeah, I mean, the least you can do is file a complaint on those officers.
Yeah.
You know, the most you can do is sue them.
Because the internal affairs showed up the next day at the hospital.
Oh, okay.
I did not hear them completely what to say, who they were. All I heard is detector this and this. I was like, okay, cool, whatever. But once I found the card in my car, I was like, oh, what the fuck? Internal affairs. I fucking wish I could have read that earlier. I would have fucking told them the whole shit how the way it went down. But look, I'm not gonna bullshit you, bro. You know, I live over here in 4126. I'm a combat veteran. Look, if I do fucking sue them and everything, whatever, dude, and I win, dude, I'll fucking break you off something, dude. I mean, look, dude, they fucking took my shit, dude. I mean,
and you said you got video of it?
I got video of it.
Cool, man. Yeah, if you want to send me that video, I'll post it on my channel and shit for everybody to see.
Can you?
Yeah, for sure, man. Yeah, my email's on there, man. Just hit me up.
Which one is it?
It should be UAPTSD.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Yeah, send me that, and then when you send it, I'll send you the information for a lawyer.
Thank you.
All right, man.